Hey guys, generally I don't recommend you cashback credit card, but this next slide is going to change your mind because for the last 12 months I have spent exactly 1,04,341 rupees on this credit card, and the cashback I have received is 8.48%. Moreover, these out of these cashback what I've received, that is 8,850, most of the cashback has been received from Airtel and utility, Airtel recharges and utility payments. So these are the two big factors, apart from the third factor, which is online food. So this is how you concentrate on your spends when you are very specifically wanting to get some cashbacks. I could have showed, like I could have told you to only spend for Airtel recharges, because that would have given me around 20% of cashback, because generally my recharges are somewhere around 1200 to 1500, something like that. But utility is one option where it is right now on fire, and you can get approximately 200 rupees of cashback every month, because 50 rupees goes towards the convenience charge which they have started taking recently. So month by month, if I calculate here, I've just told you, like from the month of August 2024, I spent 6,900 and received 8,116. I have spent 6,903 rupees, received 816 rupees cashback. This cashback comes in the statement credit of the next month. So this August cashback came in the month of September, where I spent 2,933 and received 460 rupees. In October, I spent 8,9181 and received 891. In November, I spent 11,575 and received 936 rupees cashback. In December, I spent 4,910 and received 638 rupees cashback. Now, this cashback was calculated because there was a refund, so the actual spend was high, but because Access now let you, whenever there is a cancellation or refund, it adjusts the bills. So because of that, the cashback is on the higher side. Then in January, I have spent 7,593 and received 787. In Feb, I have spent 10,905 and received 980. In the month of March, I have spent 10,110 and received 831 cashback. In April, again, joining fees was taken, like the annual fees of 500, and there was some refund. So for 4,372, I received 724. Then in the month of May, I have spent 17,501 and received 1,024 cashback. In the month of June, 9,854, I have spent and received 795. And in the month of July, I have spent 8,505 and received 608. So when I totaled all of this, I got a cashback of 8.48%, which is like, I am pretty happy with it. However, here is the major, the why this video was made. This is not a simple cashback video. I just wanted to tell you, because I don't recommend you something which is not used by me. So looking at all this, I can say that I may have lost a lot of amount on this spend, and specifically the utility part. So out of these 1,04,000, approximately I can say around 50,000 was the utility spend. So around 5,000 I have received for this utility, like the electricity payment, and I have paid some convenience fees as well. So now because of that, that 50,000 could have been transferred to, could have been spent by Access Atlas using Amazon Pay vouchers from somewhere and then paying the bill, and it would have fetched me 8% of Accor points simply if I take that calculation, or 4% of air miles. But it would have helped me to reach the milestone as well. In the past, now right now, sitting at this moment, I may seem to be believing that I may have lost some amount of points over there. But again, I have not received anything less. I have received 8.48% solid cashback every month in statement credit. So here comes the two problems which I have with cashback card. There is no gratification. The gratification which I can get with Access Atlas, because I'm able to store a lot of miles. That is not there because every month I'm getting it on a statement credit. Now, over a period of 1 year, when I see that I am getting a cashback of 8,850, to be very frank, I am not very happy. But if I say about the Airtel recharges, if I only specify the Airtel recharges, that would make me happy because somewhere around 12,000 I may have spent and I have received around 3,000 cashback on that. So that is why these cashbacks and everything is not instantly, but 25% of cashback on Airtel recharges will make a lot of sense, and that is why I will recommend this card to you for Airtel recharges only. For anything else, go for a better card, and if you don't have, like if you want to stick to the cashback component of things, you should consider Axis Airtel. And now it comes on RuPay as well, so you can do some UPI transactions as well if you are into that. Otherwise, all of my subscribers, they don't do RuPay. They do UPI, but they hit their Amex milestones. So guys, this video, if you're watching, so you know we are Professor Cards and we have more than 9,170 followers on Twitter. Plus on YouTube, our Professor Cards Hindi channel has 8,886 subscribers. However, the number of people subscribing the channel is only 55.8%. Like the people who watches the video and don't subscribe, they are 44%. So if you are in that category, I'll really recommend you to kindly subscribe to the channel so that you get the notification and our channel also grows together. And this English channel, we have 31,800 subscribers and we make videos in English just like this. So let's go back to our Hindi channel where you can see some members only video as well. So I'll put a description, I'll put a link in the description to join the membership over that channel, which will give you access to the WhatsApp group as well, which is an exclusive group for members only. And you get a 15-minute chat window with me if you have any doubt, if you have any clarification needed, I can help you out with for 15 minutes or so. We can chat it out. But the point over here is these videos which you can see over here, these are not specific videos. These are not like videos which these are hacks or something. These are videos which are available in the open source, and I think my subscribers should watch all these videos because you will have a basic sense of how to spend with credit cards and get the maximum out of it. For example, credit card to bank account, if you are, if you want an amount in a very quick time, if you want to book hotel rooms for friends and family with memory points, that is one thing. If you want to use the Amex says voucher, which you get for Taj with lower booking discounted rates, how to do that. So things like that. These reward points on credit card bill payment is not working. So don't be a member for 199 rupees if you are interested in that video. Those are not working. This is working, but again, somehow it is working. It has been 3/4 rate now. So now let's see what this card is all about and why am I harping on this. So based on the cashback, it is pretty decent, I must say. However, when you apply and when you make a transaction using the link in the description, you get a 500 rupees Amazon voucher when you do it within the first 30 days. And that means for the first year, at least this card becomes free. For the next year, you have a fee waiver option available. What are the benefits? Where do you get the cashback? You get a 25% cashback on Airtel Mobile, broadband, Wi-Fi and DTH bill payments through the Airtel Thanks app. 10% cashback on utility bill payments such as gas, electricity via Airtel Thanks app. But there is a convenience fees associated especially with the electricity bill. And that's around for 2,500 rupees, which is the ideal one. You get somewhere around 50 rupees of convenience fees. So you get 200 rupees overall cashback. For Airtel, you have to spend 1,000 rupees and you get approximately 250 rupees cashback. For 10% cashback on Zomato, Swiggy and Big Basket, you can spend over there and you can get 10% cashback. It is not applicable on the Instamart or the other Swiggy options which are there. So 10% option cashback is only available on Swiggy Food, Zomato Food and Big Basket food delivery. 1% cashback is available on all other spends directly given in the statement credit. And what are the other terms and conditions? Like you can see over here. Otherwise, there are a lot of transactions which will not fetch you any reward points, which you can see over here. However, UPI can be used, and I think this card, if you are looking to make it your primary card, there is an option to do that. Then you can get a fuel surcharge waiver and complimentary lounge access. When you spend 50,000 rupees in the last quarter, you get 4 complimentary lounge access in India. and the list of associated airports, as you can see over here, it is given. So you get 4, which is pretty decent for a quarter to get, and the options you have is Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, and New Delhi. Apart from that, you get fuel surcharge waiver when you spend between 400 and 4,000. Maximum 500 cashback can be taken in a statement credit. There are no reward points or cashbacks. And you get the dining delight benefit, which they have devalued a lot, but you still get that. And what about yours is your eligibility. So almost everyone can get this card. It's very easy, and you should have, you should be between 18 and 70. And if you see my Twitter channel, the post which is there, which I have already bookmarked, so there's a photo over there, and as you can see, on the RuPay platform, you have this card already. Option is available. Like, you can easily apply for this card and get this card. This will be one set of card which is already pre-approved for you. So definitely check it out if you are interested in this card. And the fee and charges, the rest, everything is there. Like all the other, the charges are pretty high. You do not want to defunct on your payments anytime soon. And if they have given a value chart as well, so if you are interested, you can go through over there. However, the total spend, if I can say, is if you want to maximize the benefits, you can spend only on Airtel recharge for 1,000 a month. So for 12,000 you get 3,000 cashback, which is in itself pretty awesome, and you have to give the fees again for that. But as of now, that's pretty decent, I must say. Like, it is one of the highest across in any category which is there. And for 2 lakh you can get a fee waiver as well. You can always ask them to waive off your fees if your spends are decent enough. So guys, why this video was because I thought you should know about this. This is the amount of cashback which I just received for, this is my go-to card for online food delivery, for sometimes for Big Basket, but for utility like electricity payment, either for me or for my parents, or the Airtel recharges for everyone in the home. This card is to the rescue, and you should definitely have this card. This is one card which I recommend you totally. However, how much you want to use it totally depends on your requirement. And do subscribe to the channel, because I try to explain it on the very basic way for everyone to understand, and this is the reason the channel grows as well. So if you have not subscribed, if you watch the video but have not subscribed, I really appreciate if you do that. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Let's meet each other in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. See you.